Today we have a lot of animals. The first animal is a snake. This is a snake. A snake. A snake is a wild animal. The next one is a polar bear. This is a polar bear. The next animal is a camel. This is a camel. A camel. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. A rabbit. The next animal is a kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. A kangaroo. The next one is a monkey. This is a monkey. The next one is giraffe. This is giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. This is giraffe. The next one is a panda. This is a panda. The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger. A tiger. The next one is a llama. This is a llama. The next one is ostrich. This is ostrich.